Welcome to Ask MBA. Now, guys, if you are preparing for the CAT examination, maybe you started your preparation just now, or you are preparing it from past 1 month, 2 months, or maybe 1 year. Now, the challenge is how to revise. If you watch this video till the end, you will not just understand how important it is to revise, but also understand the pointers, the mistakes which you are doing while revising when you are preparing for the CAT examination, which you are at the moment. So let's get started. First thing first, guys, you need to understand, you need to set a target for yourself that what is your plan of action to get how much percentile, whether you want to get 85 percentile in a particular section. Now there are three sections: verbal, quant, DILR. So how much you want to score? Do you want to score more than 85 percentile in all three sections? Do you want to score 90 percentile and above, 95, or more than 99 percentile? Now that can be decided based on strength and weakness. Let's say verbal is your strength, try to target 95 percentile plus. Let's say DILR is your strength, try to get 95 percentile plus, or for that matter quant. But let's say if something is not your strong suit, maybe quant is where you lack, maybe verbal is where you lack, so try to cross at least 80 percentile so that you make the cut, so that you are eligible to get calls from all the IIMs. At least you will be considered for the next step. Okay, so you need to figure out how much marks you need to get. Now, in verbal section, there are going to be 24 questions, right? Now, we all know that each right question carries 3 marks. So you got 72 maximum marks. Similarly, in quant, you got 22 questions, 66 maximum marks. In DLR, again, you got 66 maximum marks. Now, to get more than 90 percentile, I'll give you the mid, not 80, 85, and not 99, 95, 90 percentile plus, you need to score around 27 to 30 marks in verbal out of 72. I'm talking about marks, okay? Not about the number of questions to be right. In quant, you need to get more than 12 marks to be on a safer side out of 66. In DL also, you need to get more than 12 marks out of 66 to be sure somewhere to get around 90 percentile. Okay, now when you are revising, you need to ask yourself what is your strength, what is your weakness, which question you are targeting, whether you can be good at it or you can skip it. Maybe that question is consuming a lot of time, emotions, efforts from you, but still the outcome isn't there. But you are certain about a particular topic. Let's say in quant, you are sure that algebra is making sense to you, maybe geometry is making sense to you, arithmetic is making sense to you. You can focus on those pointers and only try to get those many marks. So that's how you revise. Now I'm going to give you a very good tip, and the tip is always rely on your rough work. Now, when I solve a question, when I'm approaching a question, I solve it by using pen and paper, of course. So when you revise your rough work, you will understand and realize what mistakes you did, how you got a question right, how you got a question wrong. Stick to that. You need to have a plan of action. Of course, I'll be going live. I'll be giving you an idea how you guys can prepare for it, how you guys can customize a plan of action which you already have after my suggestions, so you guys can do that. So you need to focus on these pointers to make sure that you are not running and you are not forcing yourself to get 66 marks or 72 marks and burning out. You need to figure out, are you getting more than 12 marks in DILR, are you getting more than 12 marks in quant, and based on these calculations you will focus on those topics. Based on these calculations, you're going to skip few topics. In quant, I want to tell you that maybe in arithmetic you will be getting so many theta questions. Now what is theta? Type in the answer. That means options won't be there. So try to solve the question, try to solve as much as you can without looking at the option. Why don't you look at a question and try to solve it without looking at the options? That's how exactly it's going to be in the upcoming CAT exam. So this is a video where I'm suggesting you how you guys can revise the stuff. I'm going to keep on making videos and stuff like this. Make sure that you share, like, and subscribe to Ask MBA. Thank you and stay blessed.